Alright guys, today I wanted to come on here and do a quick unboxing and review on my new AMPBANK Portable Jump Starter. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. These are definitely handy to have, useful to have at all times. What it looks like right out of the box. You have your user manual right here. This is what the actual portable jump starter looks like. Very cool. Flashlight on this side. Let's go ahead and actually turn it on so we could see it. So it does give you your battery levels right here, so that way you have it charged at all times. Now let's go ahead and try the flashlight. Very cool. So just holding that power button will get it to turn on, and it does have different modes for it. It's definitely helpful to have, especially if you need to check something in your car at night. Just very helpful to have, or even if it's not just in the vehicle and you're just trying to see something outside and it's dark, this is nice to have. The other cool thing is it does work as a portable power bank. So that way if you're stranded and your phone's dying, this can definitely help keep your phone charged up. We'll try that as well. But for now, let's go ahead and actually hook up the cables to it to see how it actually works. So these are the cables for it right here. And then we're gonna go ahead and plug them in down here. So you can see, super simple. As you can see, the lights show that it is ready to go. So now all you have to do is hook these up to your battery and make sure that this part is on, and then the car will jump right up. My battery isn't dead right now, so there's really no need to hook this up. But like I said, as you can see, it's very simple to use. Really just plug and play. But now let's go ahead and try out the power bank as well. They do send you a Type-C cable, so that way you keep this charged up at all times. Now we'll go ahead and use that USB output right here. We'll go ahead and turn it on. And there it is, charging up the iPad. Like I said, these are just nice to have in your vehicle, just in case in those emergencies, whether you need a power bank, a flashlight, or actually need to jumpstart a vehicle, this will come in handy. If you guys are looking for a new simple portable jump starter, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below, highly recommend.